Maintenance of assets refers to the ongoing activities and strategies used to keep both physical and intangible assets in optimal working condition, ensuring their longevity, safety, and value. Asset maintenance involves a wide range of tasks. Routine inspections and servicing like oil changes or filter replacements. Preventive maintenance, scheduled tasks that stop breakdowns before they happen. Corrective maintenance, fixing issues once they occur. Predictive maintenance, using data and sensors to anticipate failures. And upgrades or refurbishments to extend asset life and boost performance. These maintenance strategies apply to many kinds of assets. Physical assets like machinery, vehicles, tools, and infrastructure. And even digital assets such as servers, software systems, and databases. Why does maintenance matter? It reduces downtime and expensive emergency repairs. It extends the lifespan of assets, delaying costly replacements. It improves safety for users and operators. It ensures compliance with legal standards. And most importantly, it preserves value and keeps operations efficient. Take a manufacturing firm as an example. By scheduling monthly maintenance for CNC machines, checking alignment, lubricating moving parts, and updating firmware, they avoid costly breakdowns, ensure product quality, and save money in the long run. The firm will have a high availability, which translates to higher production and profitability, while the equipment life is optimized. Maintenance is not just a cost, it's an investment in reliability, safety, and long-term success.